Marmorino Classico is a lime-based exterior and interior wall coating that enables obtaining a finish reminiscent of age-old plaster present in Venetian buildings. Use a stainless steel trowel to obtain a marble effect with the product. Apply 2 coats of ready-to-use Marmorino Classico, 1 as primer and 1 for the finish. Approximately 2.5 to 3 kilograms of the product per square meter are required for the entire. First of all, apply a primer leveling coat that is not exceedingly thick, but that can cover the texture of the surface and even it out adequately. Apply another coat of Marmorino Classico 12 hours later to obtain the desired thickness. As soon as the product begins to dry, and this is evident because the surface becomes opaque, apply small amounts of the product on the wet surface, compressing and compacting so as to fill all the small holes. Proceed with gloss finishing by placing the tool diagonally on the surface and pressing firmly.